Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete background here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting or removing the background of an image in Canva is a straightforward process. Once you are logged into your account, open the Canva design where you want to edit the image. If you haven't already, click the Create a Design and upload your image or select an existing image from your design. Now, here, there's going to be two options when you click on the image. You have the Edit and the Background Remover. Now, please take note that the background remover feature is only available in the Canva Pro users. All right? You see, it's very easy. I'm gonna undo it right now by clicking undo or Control plus Z. If you click the background remover, it's totally magic. All right? Another option is click on the edit right here, and there's gonna be the Magic Studio, wherein you can simply click the background remover. It's really easy. Another option is if you go on the Magic Eraser, all right, if you wanted to delete some of the part of the background, you see that? If you click on it, you can simply erase part of the background, not as a whole. All right, just wait for it. The cleaning crew is working hard. You see that? Of course, you can intensify the brush right here. And click that. All right. Wait a few seconds for the process to complete. Canva will do all the work for you. All right. Because removing the background from images in Canva is a great way to create a cleaner designs, making it easier to blend images into different backgrounds or create a cutout effects. Now, the erase here will take some time depending on the your internet connection and of course your computer specification. You see, you have basically deleted some part of your background for a polished look. Again, if you wanted to delete all of the background entirely, just click on the background remover and that's that. Because a subject without a background can be easily reused in various designs, allowing for more versatility. All right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.